Hey YouTube, it's Sean, and I'm going to bring you a little update on this ES4500 that we're working on here. Come to find out, I got a couple cranks. You know, I was saying I had an extra crank, right? Well, the journal for the rod on this one is fatter by quite a bit. I mic'd it and it's quite a bit fatter, so when you put the crank in there, and it's got the right size shaft and it's keyed. It's even got a threaded end on the crank, but the crank we were going to use is smaller on the journal, and so I started tearing this thing apart, thinking that, hey, I'm just going to get me a rod that fits it, right? Connecting rod. Well, I started tearing it apart, and I found it's got all kinds of oil on the top of this piston, and the cylinder looks good. There's no scoring, but she's been using some oil. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this thing up, and while I got it apart, I'm just going to go ahead and put a new piston and rings, rod. I already have the crank, and we're just going to go ahead and rebuild the block here. I think that's the best bet. Yep. It never smoked, but it's seems like it's just on the verge of having a problem, so I figure, well, we got it apart, why not? You know, yeah, I figure let's do this, guys. You know, put a piston and rings in there and rod, and I already have the crank, so I can get a new piston and rings and a rod for 12 bucks. It's coming in the mail. I already ordered it. Got a almost brand new crank, so I figure, why not? Let's just do this right. It's already tore apart, so let's do this. The head looks good, other than it's got a lot of black on it and a lot of oil residue on it. So yeah, so apparently, unbeknownst to me, that thing is starting to use a little oil. Let's fix it, and let's fix it right. Alright, we'll bring you back when we have more parts. They're coming in the mail. Supposed to be here next week, and we'll go from there. Got a lot of cleanup to do, but it's pretty clean, you know. It's not that bad. I figure we'll clean it all out, rebuild it, put it back together, and pull its tail and see what she does. But yeah, I don't know, got a little leakage there too. I'll replace the head gasket while I'm at it. Alright guys, that's what we're after. Gonna make a good motor out of this. We'll catch you later, guys. Remember, thumb it up. Take it easy, guys. Bye-bye.